Hello and welcome. So in this lecture we will be creating kind of a rain falling particle effect. This will be really simple to the snow falling as we did last time, except it's going to be much faster and we're going to have raindrops, not these snowballs. So I'm going to import a new asset, import this rain PNG, check this alpha is transparent and then apply. We could create a new particle system, but I think it's much easier and more convenient and we can save time if we just import the snow particle and create a new material here. Whoops, not a lens flare. I want a new material, call it rain material. It's going to be a additive material, and then apply this rain texture here. And now if we apply the rain material to the snow falling, we get the rain. The thing is, it's too slow and it collides with the ground. I don't want rain to be colliding with my game, so I'm going to disable collision and I'm going to set the simulation speed to be 1. And already we have a nice looking rain effect. This was really easy to create, really quick and easy way to create a nice looking effect. You could increase the speed and maybe the particle amount, the rate over time. You get the idea, but you basically just play around with these values, but don't overdo it because it can be taxing depending on which computer you have. I'm going to just now rename this snow falling particle to rain falling and then drop it into the asset folder. Now we have two of these particles. We have a rain particle and a snow particle. Let me just move this snow particle over here, and we can compare them. So that's it for this lecture. It was a really quick lecture. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.